everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting an exciting new chapter, Large Numbers Around Us, from the new NCERT edition. So let's dive into how big numbers like a lakh are used in real life. This chapter begins with a story about farmer named Ishwarappa from Chintamani, that is a town in Karnataka. One day, while buying rice seeds in the market, he overhears a conversation between two people, Ramana and Lakshman. Ramana talks about the past, how our country had a lakh varieties of rice. Imagine that. But now only a few varieties are available because farmers buy seeds instead of preserving them. Lakshman tells Ishwarappa about a seed bank near her house with about 100 indigenous varieties of rice seeds collected from different regions. So Ishwarappa shares this with his children Roxy and Estu. Estu is shocked. He wonders if we try one new variety of rice each day, would we even finish them in 100 years? What do you think? Now let's come to the big question, what is a lakh? We often hear this word, but how much is it actually? So to understand that, we need to look at a number patterns like the largest 3-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number. If I add 1 to largest 3-digit number, that is 999, it will become 1000. The next pattern is the largest 4-digit number, that is 9999. Now this is the largest 4-digit number. If I add 1 to it, it will become 10,000. The next is largest 5-digit number, that is 99,999. If I add 1 to it, we will get the smallest 6-digit number, that is 1 lakh. Now we have a map over here, 99,995. The next number is 99,996. The next number will be 99,997. The next will be 99,998. Then we will have the largest 5-digit number, 99,999, and that is 1 lakh. After this, we have 1 lakh 1, 1 lakh 2, 1 lakh 3, and the last is 1 lakh 4. Now Roxy and S2 found that if they ate one variety of rice a day, so we know that in 1 year we have 365 days. So if they have one variety of rice each day, that means in 1 year they will be having 365 varieties of rice. Now the question is, in a lifetime, will that number be near to 1 lakh? I am considering for 100 years. So for 100 years, it will be equal to 36,500 varieties. So in 100 years, the person can have 36,500 varieties only. And this number is not even near to 1 lakh. Now Roxy suggests that if we ate 2 varieties of rice every day, so again in 1 year we have 365 days. So each day a person is having 2 varieties of rice. That means in 1 year that person will be having 365 into 2. That means 730 varieties of rice in a year. Now would we then be able to eat 1 lakh varieties of rice in 100 years? So in 100 years it will be equal to 73,000 varieties of rice. Now again this number is not near to 1 lakh. Now again they have changed the situation that what if a person ate 3 varieties of rice every day? That means instead of 2 we have to multiply it by 3. So this will be 365 multiplied by 3 because every day person is having 3 varieties of rice. So when we will multiply this, we will get 1095, and in 100 years it will be 1,09,500 varieties of rice. So this number is near to 1 lakh. So next is figure it out. According to the 2011 census, the population of the town of Chintamani was about 75,000. How much less than 1 lakh is 75,000? So we need to find the difference between 1 lakh and 75,000, which is 25,000. Next is the estimated population of Chintamani in the year 2024 is 1,06,000. How much more than 1 lakh is 1,06,000? So again here we have to find the difference between 1,06,000 and 1 lakh, that is what? 6,000. Next is by how much did the population Chintamani increases from 2011 to 2024? So the population of Chintamani in 2024 is 1,06,000, and in 2011 is 75,000. So we will find the difference between them, that is equal to 31,000. Here we have few facts. The first one is the world's tallest statue is the Statue of Unity in Gujarat, depicting Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and its height is 180 meters. Kunchikal waterfall in Karnataka is said to drop from a height of 450 meters. So here we have two facts. Now based on these facts we have few questions. Look at the picture on the right. Somu is 1 meter tall. If each floor is about 4 times his height, what is the approximate height of the building? So here we have a building, and this building has 10 floors, and they are saying that Somu height is 1 meter. If each floor is 4 times his height, 4 times his height means 1 multiplied by 4, that is 4 meter. So what is the approximate height of the building? So since it has 10 floors, we are going to multiply this by 10, that is 40 meter. This is the height of the building. This is the approximate height of the building. So which one is taller, the Statue of Unity or this building? So as we have seen above, the height of the statue is 180 meter and the height of the building is 40 meter. So obviously Statue of Unity is taller, and by how much? Here we have to subtract them. So 180 minus 40 is 140 meter. Next is, how much taller is the Kunchikal waterfall than Somu's building? So again the height of waterfall is 450 meter and Somu's building is 40 meter. Subtract them and you will get 410 meter. Next is, how many floors should Somu's building have as high as the waterfall? So height of waterfall is 450 meter and height of one floor is, so if I divide 450 by 4, I will get 112.5. So approximately there will be 112 floors. So I hope you have understood till here. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.